Dismayado ang kampo ng mga Laude matapos malamang nakaalis na ang 4 na sundalong Amerikano na huling nakasama ni Private First Class Joseph Scott Pemberton bago natagpo ang patay si Jeffrey Jennifer Laude. Nakatakda pa naman ang preliminary investigation sa reklamo ngayong hapon. Ang German fiancé naman ni Laude hinamon ng suspect na harapin ang reklamo laban sa kanya. May news to go si Haji Rieta. Haji.
Yes, Karang, paliwanag kasi kanina umaga ni Atty. Suarez ay may vital participation itong mga witnesses dahil sila umano yung last na nakasama ni Pemberton bago maganap ang pamamaslang kay Jeffrey o Jennifer Laude. Samantala, nakahanda na nga ang pamilya Laude sa isasagawang preliminary investigation mamayang hapon at lubos silang umaasa na dadalo itong si Pemberton. Sa pag-ipag-usap ng GMA News kay Atty. Virgie Suarez, ang isa sa mga tumatayong legal counsel ng pamilya Laude hinggil sa pagpaslang kay Jeffrey o Jennifer. Sinabi niyang inaantay na lang nila ang takdang oras para rito.
The family is ready now for the preliminary investigation. They are ready. They are expecting that they will be facing Pemberton, that the U.S. government will be bringing Pemberton for the preliminary investigation.
Importante raw kasi ang kanyang physical presence para personal nitong masumpaan sa harap ng piskal ang kanyang counter affidavit o sagot sa reklamong murder na isinampa ng pamilya Laude. Pero ang nakakadismaya raw ay ang pag-alis ng 4 na sundalong Amerikano na itinuturing na witnesses sa pagpaslang kay Laude. Masasabi kasing vital o mahalaga ang kanilang mga nalalaman dahil sila raw ang huling nakasama ni Pemberton bago mangyari ang pamamaslang kay Laude.
Pinaalis nila, pagkatapos they will not be able to send them back in. That's why I'm saying it's disastrous. Disastrous for the government. Dahil it will show how inutil this Philippine government is.
Kahapon dumating si Mark Sasalbeck, ang German fiancé ni Laude mula sa Germany. Hindi niya na napigilang maging emosyonal nang makita ang labi ng kasintahan. Kanina, sa panayam ng unang hirit, sinabi niya na hindi niya habol ang makapaghiganti. Pero sana raw ay makamit nila ang hustisya para kay Jennifer. Nakwento ni Sasalbeck na may mga kagat at pasa ang bangkay ni Jennifer. Hinamon niya si Pemberton na harapin ang kanyang nagawa.
I hope that justice will be granted, though I'm not looking for a revenge, because revenge is nothing you can achieve in a case like that. I just hope that he will get the sentence that he deserves, whatever it may be, and I would wish it would be under Philippine rules, because it happens in the Philippines. It was a Philippine citizen. He was a guest. When we are talking about bite marks, when we are talking about dozens of severe bruises, when we are talking about cuts, well, and if we look what did come in the end, that would be my guess. None of us will be there, and I certainly doubt that that any one of us will ever know what was really going on there. I don't know 100% what you define as a hate crime. I can just say that that this crime and this way of murder had something which is not understandable for any normal human being. Whatever that is, I don't know if you can categorize it as a hate crime or whatever it was, but about the hate crime, I do have certainly the problem for what he should have hated her. I mean, and how can you build up so much hate just in between a few minutes you know a person?
Kara, dagdag pa ni Atty. Suarez ay talagang inaasahan nila na makita nga itong si Pemberton at nang sa ganun ay maka-face-to-face daw nila. Sa ngayon ay nagpupulong na ang pamilya para nga sa preliminary investigation which is mangyayari alas 2 ng hapon mamaya. Kara?
Maraming salamat, Haji Rieta.